Welcome guys, today I am with the Samsung Galaxy S23 and this Nillkin case. I'm gonna show you overview of this protection case. Okay, so let's quickly open this box. As you can see, right here and right here we can find this additional protection, and it will be good to take it off when you put it on the phone because it looks not bad. I mean, not good actually. So yeah, just take it off. And it's like very tough case. It's not flexible like, for example, this normal TPU silicone case. So that's definitely good and strong point. And also, as you can see, there's big camera cutout, and for me it's good because as you can see right here, I have additional lens protection. So in this case, with this kind of the cutout, unfortunately it's not working properly, because when I put it on the phone, it was like, there was like band right here. It was looking like that. So if you are trying to get any case with additional protection on your S23 or any other phone, remember to get this big cutout for this additional protection. Let's try to put it on the phone. Okay, it was actually easy to put it on. And how it looks from the bottom, okay, there's big cutout for the USB-C port, good and quick access. That's the speaker. At the top we can find microphone, and right here we can find additional grip, and yeah, it feels a little bit better, so I feel like it's not gonna slip out of my hand, so that's the good point. Let's try the buttons, the volume up, volume down, separate clicks, everything fine. Power button, it's also working good. Let's unlock the phone. And by the way, this case, it goes a little bit above my additional protection. So here I have the tempered glass on the screen, as you can see. So it's a good point because when you put it on the flat surface, you will not scratch your display. When you take a look on the lenses, I think it will be on the same level without this glass. So right here you don't have this additional protection, but the case, it's like well made. It's easy to put it on. Let's try to take it off. Okay, and it was also easy to remove from the phone. So that's it. That's the quick overview of this Nillkin. The full name of this case is actually the Nillkin Nature TPU Pro case with the dual protection. So yeah, that's all. That's how it looks on our S23. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.